Hey everyone, this is Dynan here with your Arlington just listed update for the week. The first property we're going to check out is 24 Mystic Lake Drive, Unit 24. Just listed at $1,459,000 with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and around 2170 square feet. This one also has open houses this Saturday and Sunday from 11:30 to 1 p.m. So definitely worth going and check out if you are in the area. The next property is 24 Beacon Street, unit number 24. This has just been listed at $1,449,000. Another fresh listing that came on the market in the last 3 days with 3 bedrooms and over 2,100 square feet. And finally, 167 Franklin Street, unit 167, coming in at $1,795,000. This gives buyers a larger luxury option in the market this week. What's notable about all of this is that all of these 3 homes are entering the same upper Arlington price range and has been seeing strong movement this spring. If you'd like the full list of open houses and newly dropped homes this weekend, send me a message and I'll get them over to you. Have a great weekend.